can I ask you a question, man? After you finished on YouTube, would you mind explaining fair value gaps to me, man? Fair value gaps? I look over and I just. Yeah. But then when I look, quite often I'm like, there is wicks going into them, so I'm like, how, like they're everywhere basically. So I'm like, how do you know what's important, what's not? Like, it confuses me so much. Yeah. Yeah. Because no wicks have come down to there yet. So is that between on the like you're on the 4 hour at the moment? So is that between this week and this week? It's that area between there, really. See, that confuses me because I'm like, well, what about this? Like, yeah, yeah. There's not previous price action. It's only current price action. And can't you say all previous price action? Can't you say any higher low, all higher lows? You know, when it's prices creating high lows. That's unbalanced. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I like because I've listened to his version of it and the way he pulls it out. I'm just like, it doesn't. It's not. I just find it a bit. Yeah, I need something that where someone explains something and it's so like it makes so much sense to me, but it doesn't make a lot of sense to me at this stage. Like when I'm looking at a chart, it needs to be really like specific for me, and I feel like it's a little bit vague in a way, the way he explains it. So it did make me feel because I was looking at a chart afterwards, I was like, "It looks like there's fair value gap to me." The way he explained it, I was like, "It kind of looks like there's fair value gaps all over the chart." So I'm like, "Well, what's important then and what's not?"
Hello? Hello? Oh, someone. Oh, man, I had my microphone on mute on the stream the whole time. Kid. I was just explaining some heat. But yeah, like, it is like that though. Everything's kind of like imbalanced. So, I mean, I wouldn't pay that much attention to it because the shit's everywhere, like you said. It's just
Yeah.
good to know, like, for example, if you're like breaking here, then you know that there's a high probability to close here until here, right? That's what I would use it for. Not like every damn time. I think we're about to catch a nice pullback on gold here. To
Yeah.
continue higher. Oh, that's a big stop.
Yeah.
See, the range is just garbage at this point. 30-minute bottom wick, maybe 15-minute. Okay, yo, what's going on, everyone? Long time no speak, long time no see, long time no stream. What's going on, Jay? Ogwa, if you're talking, we can't hear you. Yeah, I think I fixed it. I hope. How you guys doing, man? How's everyone been? Gold has been very weird, hasn't it? Gold has been very weird lately. It's just been going up. Good. Thanks. Just been going up, man. That's about it as of right now. Which I actually should have saw this. I did see this shit coming. Man. Going up without a retest? Yeah, what's going on, Durshin? How you doing, man? Salam alaikum. Yeah, we're rejecting off this level, but I'm not trusting the shorts until we get like higher time frame. Like right now, yeah, we're rejecting a daily support, and I honestly do want it to come and test like at least here by the end of the week. GK, what's going on, bro? How are you? I'm doing good, man. Appreciate you asking. Been a while, huh? 2 weeks, no stream. Yeah, I really want to retest, dude. I really want a retest at this point, somewhere important for the week. Let's see if there's any news today. Nothing. Wow. No news at all. Actually insane. Euro, USD, GBP, the governor speaks. Let's look at GJ. Doing good, man. Let's look at GJ. Won't take a trade on it, though. I just like looking at it. All right. This is a crazy, dude. I guarantee you Chris is in these buys, man. I swear he is. Big pullback here. It's so choppy though going up. I feel like it's potentially in for another drop. So choppy going up to. It did create like a pullback. I mean, eventually. Whoops, let's not change any of that. GJ should continue up. Looking at it on the weekly, you got impulsive correction, and now we have this 2 candle weekly bullshit garbage. But you know, like the way this impulsive move has been coming down, the way this impulse move came down, and how choppy this is up, I would expect another leg down. But who am I? I don't even trade GJ like that anymore. I'm just looking at it, literally looking at it. Long time no see. Nice to see you back. I appreciate you, bro. How you been, man? Long time indeed. It's been 2 weeks. 2 weeks of absence. 2 weeks. That. Right. Just waiting on gold. Honestly, this level, it shouldn't break until there's volume. So I'm looking for like a cheeky short in this area. A dangerous cheeky short. But then who am I, right? It's daily support right here, which could potentially be a break structure, retest structure to continue lower low. But for that to happen, I want to see it on the higher time frames, on the weekly or something. The monthly is rejecting, yes. But who says it's gonna hold? We still have 8 days. This week's gonna be huge. So we might see a monthly candle close even maybe like higher up. But if this monthly candle closes in any direction, like this, then I'm gonna most definitely take more shorts to fill that wick and potentially break this area. But then we have this area right below it, so sells are gonna be mostly like taking profit all in this area. Man, cheeky business. I'm looking for the retest to buy. Yeah, that's a smart thing to do. But like I said, I think there's room for some price action to the downside, at least a bit. So for right now, what you want to wait for the buy, since gold hasn't been actually like retesting, it's just been actually just like pulling back for a bit and then continuing higher, right? So we have a 4-hour new candle open in about 6 minutes. So you want to catch that candle, right? But honestly, looking at it now, I don't think that 4-hour candle is going to wick down all the way into my zone that I want to then continue up. It could, but I don't think it will. So with that being said, you have to look at like the nearest support and resistance areas at this point and see the reactions off of that. Make sure you get a really nice entry, really fast entry, and let's see if it wants to break that support, maybe turning resistance. Right? But as of right now, man, this next 4-hour candle doesn't look like it wants to do anything. It looks like it's about to just fly straight back up. 5 minutes till it closes. Small reject, not even a rejection. This is a healthy wick to continue higher. So let's see to where we potentially could go to.
I mean, on GJ Gala.
Say again?
I'm in on GJ.
Oh. What are you in?
I sent it to you before, but I'll send it. Hold on, I'll send it to you again so you can see where I got in.
You're in buys?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay.
So I entered on that.
Decent. 5 minutes.
Hammer. It came down a little bit lower, but.
So you're in like here?
Yep. Yeah, it went a bit lower, but. I just like that area.
Yeah, it is. It did just actually do a break and retest, literally.
Yeah.
Literally. 50% retracement. You have room to like.
Yeah.
You have room.
I've got 3 to 1 for the next zone, so.
I would be careful at that wick. See, remember, like it's like going up. It's like the first rejection wick that you come across. That's the one you want to TP. Look at that. If you were in buys here, or like say like here, it's always the first one, man.
Yeah, I'm before that, man.
Yeah.
Like even at that point, that's over 3 to 1 there.
You're TPing like here somewhere.
At the moment, I'm just I've got 3 to 1 160 775. So, but I might close it before then. We'll see.
Yeah, I mean, if this 1 hour candle closes like that, that should be pretty good. Now, keep in mind that the next 1 hour candle might create a bottom wick.
Yeah.
And when it does, it might, it might tremble you a bit and get into your, put you in a bit of drawdown. But I most definitely see it. I think the next 1 hour wick is gonna come here and tap the body, and then continue higher up.
Yeah.
Or it might just create a small little wick and then continue higher. See, gold is just so fucking bullish. Let's see how the 4 hour wants to close in 2 minutes. Yeah, the trend is your friend, but if the trend doesn't want to retest, then that's kind of messed up, isn't it? Oh, and yeah, see the 4 hour candle might even dip down even lower.
Yeah.
Give me a second, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, it's looking good for you, man. It's looking. Oh, damn. Boner candle on the 15. 30 flipped. Yeah, you're good. To the looks of it now, you should be able to TP higher even now. But last time I told you that, you didn't do that. So be careful. Alright, so 4-hour closes on gold, right? Very strong 4-hour candle. But if you see, look at these previous 4-hour candles. They're barely dipping down. So I'm going to see to where it could potentially dip down to, literally. Which is actually like the most recent area that it could dip down to is here. But I gotta tell you the truth. I hate buying like right in these areas to then be faced with a, oh damn, that's 82 pips. That shit looked like it was like 20 pips. Okay. Okay, I changed my mind. I changed my mind. Alright, so let's have a look. Let's just use a fib. Let's see. Yeah, see 61, 76. I want to get that 76 in there. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a buy. Or me. See if I could get a buy in that area. And that's just kind of a following structure, right? For a 4-hour flip. I don't know where I'll TP yet, to be honest with you. I'm gonna have to see that later. If it's not that zone, I actually do like this zone. I like this zone way better. I like the purple zone, but let's just see how it reacts here. Always before a big move, right? You have to pay attention to these 1-minute candles, man. They've been actually like absolutely fucking killers, dude. They've been absolute killers, man. Look at this shit right here. Okay, let's see. Pulling back right now. Great, perfect, beautiful. 5 minutes. Might jump in here on some cheeky shorts as well. And what I might even see is that price respects this whole area, just this 15-minute zone, and just consolidates into here to then go up. So if you see consolidation in this area, right, until like New York, one or two things. Obviously, we're still kind of bullish on the lower time frames, so you could catch a potential move up to fill in the weekly ranges, or we might come down to create that bottom wick on a weekly. Look at that bamboozling, dude. So right now we're coming up to filling that wick. I'm guessing 5 minute. Okay. I like the idea because gold's barely retesting 38 and 50 levels. So it might go up from that 15-minute zone. It might. I just gotta be patient. Just see what it wants to do. Yeah, gold is just at this point. I don't think you're gonna get pullbacks, man, to go lower. I'll be right back. Give me a second. All right. Yeah, there's like no pullbacks coming in, nothing, man. this point. Not even to like the most recent support area, which is kind of friggy. So yeah, with that being said, stream, I'm about to head off, man. There's nothing really much happening. Best thing to do right now is to wait for a pullback. If you do see a pullback, just let it pull back deep as you can. Just buy it back up to the weekly structure. That's about it. But I appreciate everyone tuning in, and it's your boy Bank Robber, and I'm out, man. Peace.